So now coming to our audio meters. So this is basically the audio which has been there in your timeline. It would display the audio according to various decibels, if you can see here, according to its sound. So we would just play this. Right now, as you have seen that this thing while playing the video, it became red. So which it means that this red thing means clipping. It is called as clipping of audio. So this is not a good practice when you are demonstrating your video somewhere live or any kind of event or something, because it means that the video which can be played might burst out, and burst out in the sense like it would create a kind of very high volume thing and a kind of disturbance to the audience. So we would click here, and what we can do in order to get rid of that, we have to see that while playing the video, the audio does not reaches up to here. It is the red mark which would create clipping of the audio. So in order to get rid of this, we can slightly reduce our gain. Audio gain is basically the level of audio, and we would right click here and we would say audio gain. Click here on audio gain, and we would say adjust gain by -3 decibels, and click here OK. So right now if you see, volume has also been decreased of the audio as we have reduced the gain, the total overall level of an audio. And now right now if you see, it is just on an average of a -6 kind of decibel, and it is not creating that red clip anymore. And these are the various levels of the decibel, and the S here stands for solo. These are the two channels, mainly left and right. This one is the left channel and this one is the right channel of an audio track. So what if I want to play only my left channel of the audio track? I would click here, solo left channel. This would only play the left channel of your audio, and only this audio meter would be displaying. And now what if I want to do the reverse? I would select solo right channel and I would deselect solo left channel. So this would now only play the audio on the right channel and not the left. And now I would select both the channels as I want both the channels to be playing. And now it's playing both the channels, the left as well as the right. If you want to view your audio meters on a very maximized view, you can just right click here, the same panel group settings, and maximize panel group. So this entire thing will show on a very big resolution and it would cover the entire workspace. Now only the left channel is playing, and now the right. It's not creating that red clipping. Now if I want to minimize this, I would say minimize, right click on the tools panel I would right click here and I would say panel group settings, restore panel group size. Yeah, so this was our audio meter.